How to change product price in Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can change product price in Shopify. Setting a price adjustment lets you increase or decrease the price of all products for a specific country or region. Price adjustments are displayed as a percentage, meaning that an adjustment of plus 100% doubles the price of the item, and an adjustment of minus 50% reduces the price of the item by half. When setting price adjustments, the Swiss franc currency is supported for Switzerland as a country, but Liechtenstein isn't supported. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings and Markets. Click the market that you want to adjust prices for. Click Products and Pricing. In the Price Adjustment section, select Price Increase from the drop-down menu to set a price adjustment increase or price decrease to set a price adjustment decrease. Enter the percentage of the adjustment. Click on Save. You can also create price adjustments for a country or region using the Price List API.